Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore the condition library of the Ada application, meaning that you can read about several medical conditions, their risks, symptoms and treatments and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down till you find the Explore Our Condition library and tap on this photo. Now you are ready to type in any medical condition that you are interested in into this search bar, or you can also select these from these medical conditions that you can see in the most read by other users section. So you just simply click on it or type in, and here you can read a brief overview about this medical condition. If you scroll down, you have several options that you can learn more about, such as the risks of these condition, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, prevention and prognosis. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.